Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can refund Pandabuy from warehouse. So first step, you need to go on to the Pandabuy. So search here Pandabuy and open this website. So once you're on this website, you simply need to go on to the cart from here and make sure that you log in into your account. As you can see, then you need to go on to the orders and warehouse. So here you can see that go on to the order tab, and once you place an order it will be shown here into the warehouse like this. And if you want to receive the refund, so you simply need to click on the cancel payment, and here you need to mention the reason and click on confirm. So once you done that, your refund will be processed. So this is the process how you can refund Pandabuy from warehouse. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.